Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, LisaYogaAngel. I'm Lisa. I'm so excited to finally get this channel going. It's been a work in process, but I am here to share the powerful practice of yoga with you. I really feel yoga and meditation are the most powerful self-love tools that you can use. It really has helped me build confidence and strength and resilience, not only in the physical body, but the mind, the body, the spirit. And yoga means union, so it's yoking together all three. If I were to explain to someone in a very simple way what yoga means to me, it is to be here now. I really feel that most of us are suffering really has to do with where we dwell in our minds. And it's usually one of two places. So we're usually way in the past living with regret, anger, bitterness, or we're freaking out inside because we're way ahead, worried, filled with fear over the future that hasn't even happened yet. What yoga does is grounds you into the most powerful moment we have, which is now. So I hope you will take this journey with me. Please click the subscribe button, click the little bell so you'll be notified of all future practices. We will practice in the styles of Hatha, slow flow, vinyasa, and yin. So if nothing else, create some sacred, quiet space for yourself, grab your mat, and breathe with me.